Top protein foods for seniors over 60. If you're over 60 and still relying on eggs for your daily protein, you could be making a critical mistake that's speeding up muscle loss right now. 94% of American seniors don't know this, but eggs rank dead last compared to the 11 powerful foods I'm about to reveal. Your independence could depend on what I share in this video. Before starting, subscribe to channel Senior Wisdom. Comment down below if you resonate with this video. Quick test: do your legs feel weaker climbing stairs than they did 5 years ago? If yes, you're among the 78% of Americans over 60 silently losing up to 1% of their muscle mass every year. The good news? I'll show you how to reverse this muscle loss using foods so powerful that scientists are studying them to rebuild strength in stroke patients without exercise. The food industry has been misleading you about protein. While everyone's fixated on eggs with their measly 13 grams of protein per 100 grams, there are common foods in your grocery store delivering 30, 40, even over 60 grams of protein in the same amount. Even better, the food at number 4 on today's list has 5 times more protein than eggs, and numbers 1 and 2 are hidden in the strangest aisle of your supermarket. These aren't pricey supplements or exotic superfoods. They're real foods that have kept people strong and vibrant into their 90s across cultures. After 60, your body is 20 to 30% less efficient at using protein from regular foods. That means your breakfast eggs? Your muscles only absorb about half the protein you think. Meanwhile, millions of seniors are losing muscle, struggling to walk, climb stairs, or live independently. But not anymore. In the next few minutes, I'll reveal 11 scientifically proven foods that pack more protein than eggs and are designed by nature for aging bodies. Some will shock you. Others might already be in your pantry. Before we dive in, tell me, how old are you? Where are you watching from? How's your strength lately? Share in the comments. I read and respond to every single one. Let's start with food number 11: Greek yogurt. Food number 11, Greek yogurt: plain, non-fat, triple-strained Greek yogurt. It delivers over 18 grams of protein per 100 grams, nearly double a boiled egg. The straining process removes excess liquid and lactose, creating a creamy, protein-dense powerhouse perfect for aging muscles. A study in Nutrients showed seniors consuming 20 grams of dairy-based protein daily had 25% better muscle preservation after 12 weeks. Greek yogurt is highly digestible, even for those with mild lactose sensitivity, thanks to beneficial bacteria. Skip sugary flavored versions, choose plain and add cinnamon, berries, or honey. Use it in smoothies, dips, or as a sour cream substitute. Food number 10, cooked chickpeas. Food number 10, cooked chickpeas. These legumes pack 11.2 grams of protein per 100 grams when cooked, almost double an egg. They also provide fiber, which supports gut health, balances blood sugar, and reduces inflammation that destroys muscle cells. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found seniors replacing one meat serving daily with legumes like chickpeas saw 26% less muscle loss over 2 years. Chickpeas also deliver magnesium, iron, and folate. Soak dried chickpeas overnight for better digestibility, then use in hummus, roasted snacks, or soups. Food number 9, cooked quinoa. Food number 9, cooked quinoa. This seed delivers 14 grams of protein per 100 grams and all 9 essential amino acids, including lysine for tissue repair. A Nutrients study showed seniors eating quinoa daily for 8 weeks had 9% better strength and energy than a rice-eating group, thanks to quinoa's antioxidants and magnesium. Soak it overnight, cook in bone broth or vegetable stock, and pair with spinach or turmeric for extra benefits. It's easy to digest and supports muscle recovery. Food number 8, pumpkin seeds. Food number 8, raw pumpkin seeds. With 19 grams of protein per 100 grams, they nearly double eggs and provide magnesium, iron, and zinc minerals many seniors lack. A Journal of Medicinal Food study found pumpkin seeds reduced muscle inflammation by 38% in 12 weeks. Eat them raw and unsalted to avoid inflammatory sodium. Sprinkle on yogurt, blend into smoothies, or make seed butter. A handful daily boosts muscle function. Food number 7, tempeh. Food number 7, tempeh. This fermented soybean product has 20 grams of protein per 100 grams and high leucine for muscle synthesis. Its fermentation improves gut health and protein absorption. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed seniors with healthy gut bacteria retained 18% more muscle mass. Pan-sear tempeh with tamari, crumble into stir fries, or add to sandwiches. It's nutty and builds muscle from the inside out. If you're finding this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Senior Wisdom. We share evidence-based tips for seniors to stay strong and independent. Comment which foods you've tried or plan to add to your diet tomorrow. Your engagement helps us reach more seniors. Food number 6, spirulina. Food number 6, spirulina. This blue-green algae has 29 grams of protein per 100 grams over double eggs and 85% bioavailability. A nutrients study found it reduced inflammation by 32% and boosted blood flow in seniors. Add a teaspoon to smoothies, oatmeal, or energy bites. Its mild, earthy taste is easy to mask, and a small amount daily protects muscles at the cellular level. Food number 5, hemp seeds. Food number 5, hemp seeds. With 35 grams of protein per 100 grams, they surpass most meats and eggs. They contain all essential amino acids, including arginine, for blood flow. A Frontiers in Nutrition review showed better muscle retention in seniors eating hemp protein. Rich in omega-3s and magnesium, they support brain health and sleep. Sprinkle on oatmeal, blend into smoothies, or stir into soups. They're easy to digest and hassle-free. Food number 4, seitan. Food number 4, seitan, or wheat meat. With 39 grams of protein per 100 grams, it rivals chicken and steak. Made from vital wheat gluten, it's low in fat and high in iron. A clinical nutrition trial showed 21% better muscle preservation in seniors eating seitan over 10 weeks. Slice, sauté, or marinate it, pair with vitamin C-rich foods like peppers to boost iron absorption. It mimics meat's texture without the digestive heaviness. Food number 3, Parmesan cheese. Food number 3, authentic aged Parmigiano Reggiano. With 42 grams of protein per 100 grams, it triples eggs. Its aging process creates free-form amino acids, making it highly digestible. A nutrients study found 30% better protein absorption from aged cheese. Just 2 tablespoons daily, shaved over veggies or soups. Delivers leucine for muscle synthesis. Skip imitation Parmesan and choose the real thing. Food number 2, dried fish powder. Food number 2, dried fish powder. With 63 grams of protein per 100 grams, it's nearly 5 times eggs. Made from dehydrated white fish, it's highly bioavailable. A clinical nutrition trial showed 19% more muscle mass in seniors consuming it daily for 10 weeks. Sprinkle over soups, stews, or savory oatmeal. Find it in Asian food aisles or online, perfect for seniors with dental issues or low appetite. Food number 1, whey protein isolate. Food number 1, whey protein isolate. With 70 to 90 grams of protein per 100 grams, it's fast absorbing and ideal for rapid recovery. A meta-analysis in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed greater muscle gains and walking speed in seniors using whey. Choose high-quality, unflavored isolate, mix with water or almond milk, and drink before bed for overnight repair. It's essential for seniors with low appetite or digestion issues. Before adding these foods, consult your doctor, especially if you have kidney issues or are on specific diets. More protein isn't always better, and this video is for educational purposes only, not a substitute for medical advice. These 11 foods and one supplement outperform eggs for muscle health. They're backed by science and absorbable by aging bodies. Most seniors lose 1% muscle yearly, but you don't have to. Which food shocked you most? Planning to try any this week? Comment below. I respond to everyone. Subscribe to Senior Wisdom and hit the notification bell for weekly evidence-based health videos. Next, we'll explore foods secretly draining your energy. After 60, your muscles respond to every choice. Feed them the protein they deserve. Thanks for watching, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.